I was interested in a constitutional attorney who was on Fox News Sunday with Brit Hume, who's guest hosting for Chris Wallace, who's off as he's preparing for tomorrow night's big debate. Laurence Tribe is his name. And honestly, I'm trying to understand the legal argument against nominating and confirming Amy Coney Barrett. And so I was paying I know that Laurence Tribe is probably a lefty. He's a product of academia, and he's a college professor, but he's a constitutional scholar, right? So let's hear how a constitutional scholar applies the Constitution to the process that has taken us to where we are today.
The idea that we can't wait a few days is ludicrous. There's no reason for it. And I really think that the nomination is misguided, quite apart from the nominee. I think quite well of Amy Coney Barrett, but that's not the issue. The issue is not the nominee, it's the nomination. They're not willing to wait because they really are nervous about what the American people believe the Constitution means and what they believe should be represented on the Supreme Court. They also...
go
ahead.
Speaking of the Constitution, sir, do you find any support for your argument in the Constitution itself?
Oh, I'm not suggesting it's unconstitutional to go ahead. It's perfectly constitutional. But a lot of things that are constitutional are stupid. This is not a good idea.
I'm curious about law professors, people I think of and know of who have taught law to some of the best and brightest minds forever in our nation's colleges and universities. I wonder if law professors are of the habit of saying a lot of things that are constitutional are stupid. That probably sums up the left's worldview in a few short words. A lot of things in the Constitution are just stupid. And that's why Judge Amy Coney Barrett should be blocked. Wow. Welcome into a Monday edition of the Mike Gallagher Show in the ReliefFactor.com studios. Join us, 800-655-MIKE.